Hey lovelies, welcome to the LAMESHA Vine channel. I'm your girl, LAMESHA. Stick around after these credits for the latest dance video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Toodles!
Okay, thank you for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be teaching you a beginner intermediate hip hop routine. It is to Chris Brown and Drake's song called No Guidance. So I'm going to be doing everything on my left side and you will be doing everything on your right side, okay? So that way you are mirroring me. So I'm learning everything right now on my left side just for you. So the AC just came on, so I'm going to scream at the video so that you can hear me. Okay, so you're gonna start on your right foot. You're gonna kick your butt. You're gonna kick 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make sure you lean with those kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. As you're kicking, you're gonna roll 2 times and then arms up for the last 2 kicks. Roll, roll, up, up. Very good. 5, 6, 7, right leg. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, FYI, I'm going to be going really fast because you have the option of rewinding this video as many times as you want. Okay? So from there, hop on your right leg. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 2 hops, 1 hop, pump and twist. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now you're going to push your right leg out, in, out, hit. Okay? Out, in, out, hit. Now you're going to clasp your hands together, open up, and then hit. Okay? So this is 3. This is actually going to be and 4. Okay? 3 and 4. So what you did was top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Are we good? Great. From here, turn over your right shoulder. You're going to hit 5, 6, 7, and 8. Grab your personals, left hand down, then palm up, okay? Now notice when I was here, I spun around on my toes. Boom, 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 cap, cap. 3 spins, or 3 ticks around. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? And up. Hit, hit, hit. Very nice. Now if you want to add a little roll of the torso and the neck going around, feel free. And 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, step right, left, boom, boom. Okay? So we're going to the right. Glide, 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 boom, boom. Okay? That's going to be a step, right, left. Very good. So your arm is going to go out, behind the back, grab it down, and hee. Okay? Like those vocals? Okay, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Now, if it's hard to glide on carpet or whatever surface you're on, be gentle on your knees, okay, and your ankles. Just kind of pick up your feet. Same groove, okay? So you just went from the top. You're rolling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Did you get that? After you hit your he, turn over to the right, head to the back, thrust 2 times. 2, thrust. Okay? And there's a boom, boom. Boom, boom. Slide to the right and open. Slide to the left and open. Then pull down, pull down. Again, if this is too fast, then come to my class where I slow it down. Okay? I'm just playing. But again, you have the option to rewind this little video as many times as you want, because I'm always going to be here for you. Okay? So, you just finished your he and 8. Turn over to your right side. 1, 2, really make that big. Slide 3, and then open, and then pull, pull. Same arm, same leg. Right, left. Walk it out. Okay? Start with your right foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5. Okay? So this arm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. And I will do that again. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Around, connect, and your left arm is going to come underneath and come on top of that right hand. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. He says, I don't want to play no games, play no games. So you have to put it all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hit, hit. It's going to be quick. I don't want to play no games, play no games. Okay? And it goes, I don't want to play no games. So you have to hit, I don't want to play no games, play no games. So if you can sing it, sing it. And I know you can sing better than I can, so let them vocals, oh. So it goes, I don't want to play no games, hit. Okay? So spin around. Your left leg is going to spin you around. Your right leg is going to present itself. Clap. My left hand hits my right, and then it comes up, and I'm looking at you, and you look at me. Okay? So let's go back to the top. I know, that was a lot. Sorry, you're almost done now. So from the top, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, slide 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't wanna play no games, hit. What? I know you just did that. Great job. All right, you're almost there, like I said. So this is 8. You are gonna step with your right foot. Boom, boom. You're just gonna throw these arms down. And you're gonna stomp, stomp, okay? It's almost like you're a toddler. You're 3 years old, and you really don't want to do what your mom just told you to do. So you're like, ah, like that. But don't be that dramatic. All right, so, boom. 1, 2, drop and hit. So drop your arms down, knees in, drop, left, right, okay? So from here, boom, 1, 2, 3, and 4. go in or out. Those are your options, because I know I just did it 2 different ways, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be out. So you're here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Those legs just come open. 5 and 6. When you hit that 6, you're going to go, I don't even know if that's a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Out, ta, ta. Out, ta, ta. Out, ta, ta. Out, ta, ta. So push out on your big toe. Bring it in. Push out on the left big toe. You know what I mean. This is your right one. And then bring it in. Now you gotta move. Move. Okay? So my arms are going to move. Move. But you start with this leg. This is going to be your left leg. Okay? So, what just happened? 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2. Okay? Work your arms out however you want. So, you're going to go 5 and 6. You go counterclockwise. You go clockwise, I go counterclockwise. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2. Okay, left leg, right leg, right leg. All right, y'all, I think we got it. We're gonna go back to the top. I know it was a long time ago, but you are all so talented, and I know you got it. So here we go. Right side from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Thank you, lovelies. I appreciate you for watching, and I appreciate you for dancing with me. Please come back and visit me. And again, like and subscribe, and let's take this to another level. Peace out. Toodles. To the LAMESHA Vine Effect.